So I've been having a few little niggles with my new Ribble Gravel, some more serious than others. Can't sort out my front brake, can't get it to align, and they're really squeaking and making a lot of noise now. Also a bit concerned about my headset. Feels like there's a bit of a knocking in there. I'm still set up with tubes. I'd like to set up with Tubeless, and I'm going to try and rectify all these things today by going to see my friends at Cannonball E-Bikes.
Yeah, it's come up fine, mate. It's better than the rear one now.
Oh really? Oh fantastic.
Does it make the noise?
No, take it for a little spin. I've re-centered the caliper.
Completely silent. Fantastic.
Already, can you see that?
Oh, okay, so that's tubeless ready, isn't it?
Yeah.
And if it wasn't,
We would tape it.
not with that tape.
Yeah, that's what we use on the mountain bikes. So
really?
because it's Gorilla Tape's really strong, so it works really well. But we've got some other stuff as well. So obviously you've got to have park tool tyre levers as well, haven't you? Yeah, look, see. So it's already taped, which is a right result.
I thought it was tubeless ready, but I wasn't 100% sure.
So obviously I've put the valve in now, done that up nice and tight.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, we don't need to tape it because it's tubeless ready, so it's already taped, which just makes my life a lot easier.
Yeah.
So what we'll do is we will, because it's still loose as you can see, yeah, it's quite flexible, this one. So what we'll do now is we will take the valve out with this tool, okay, so because this is a tubeless, so we can actually take the middle of the valve out on this one. So basically we need a rush of air to seal the tyre onto the rim. So there's no valve in here at the moment, obviously, so there's just a hole. So what we're going to do, we're just going to put this on here, and then we're going to put this onto your wheel.
Is that a gas canister?
No, so this is basically just normal air. So what we're going to do, let's just do helmets out of the way. Okay, so we're going to put that up there. We've got electric pumps here, as you well know. So, basically, we pump the canister up, and then we release the air in the canister, and the tyre goes ping like that, and seals. Yeah, as you well know, we only use electric pumps here now because we're all lazy.
We have got a lot of bikes.
We've got a lot of bikes, yeah. Pump it up. So I'll just stop there for a sec. The reason I'm pumping it up, I'll pump it up really high pressure, so this can go really high pressure, okay? The reason we do that is because when we release the air, you lose a lot straight away, and then it normally levels out about 30, 40 PSI. So I'm going to release this now. So see it drops all the way down? So that's now sealed in now.
And you're doing it before putting sealant in to check it's going to work?
Yeah, exactly, because if I do it with sealant, it don't work, and you can see sealant will just go everywhere. Okay. So now, as you can see, it's sealed to the edge. Can you see that? Well, first we're going to put the sealant in. We have a technical thing as well. We use a brake pad, old school.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, on the end. So we just unscrew this, like so. That's good. And then I'll just pop it in. Clean and easy way to put sealant in.
Yeah.
And we do all of our mountain bikes like this. Okay, that screws back in. Put the pump back on. So we're not using the compressed one this time, we're just a normal pump now. The only reason we use the compressed one just to seal the bead around the rim. So I'm putting that back on, and now we're going to pump it up. Done.
How long has that taken? 5 minutes?
5 minutes, yeah. I've done it a few times now, so I'm so now what I generally do now is I
swish it around. Yeah,
swish it around. Always, another thing I always do is look at the spokes, just in case we have an air leak anywhere, because then that means it hasn't been done up properly, if you know what I mean.
Yeah. Just
make sure that's nice and tight. Give it another shake. Done. That's how you do a tubeless conversion.
That was really quick.
So what we do, we will take the chain off. I think that'd be the smart move. Vibrates. Literally vibrates. So we'll put it out here so we don't make a mess. Okay.
We're going to clean the chain. It looks like you could do some hash browns in there, mate.
Yeah, exactly. Moment. So leave it in there.
Completely cover it, yeah?
Yeah, submerge it, yeah. Get it to the top of the cage. And then we'll put it, turn the temperature up. There we go. Little tip, don't put your fingers in there.
Pro tip.
So if you push the power button, that's it, give it a few seconds. Okay, so what do we want it at? 35?
35.
Push the go button. So there's the problem. So we've got, so that valve is not tightened up correctly.
Oh, okay.
So that is why. See, look, I've tightened up. See the pressure go down?
Oh yeah.
So it says 6 now.
Yeah.
Right, now do it. That is black, mate.
Yeah.
There you go.
And that's only after about 5 rides. Right, time to put the chain back on. It's been fully cleaned and in the deep fat fryer.
Yep, so we'll lift this up here, lock it. There you go, look how much clean that is now. Look.
Oh yeah.
It's like a new chain again, isn't it?
Yeah. It wasn't far off being a new chain anyway.
Well, yeah, looking at that water, mate, it looks like it was. Look, there's, I think this thing's growing in there.
That shows you after what?
4 rides, 5 rides?
Well, 6 at the most, I would say.
So now it should look like, pretty much, a very nice clean chain. The curved bit obviously goes to the tooth.
Top side.
Top side, yeah.
Yep.
So depending on how good you are at this and how small your fingers are, depends on how good you are at getting this in. So literally put that in, pull, that's it. Then we get this little gadget, and it's there, and there, and you go click. Do you hear that click?
I did hear the click.
Done. Happy days.
How can I spot where the link is when I want to take the chain off?
So it's the one with the hole next to it. There it is. That's it. See with the hole?
And what tool do I need to do that myself then?
So it's a Park Tool MLP 1.2.
That takes it off and puts it on?
Takes it off and puts it on.
We've got a bit of a knocking in my headset, so we're going to have a look at that. Probably needs to be just tightened up a little bit.
Right, okay, so we've got a bit of a knock-in.
Yeah.
Yeah. So just tighten that up a bit. That's quite loose, actually. Right, okay. And we'll do the headset back up.
What's the torque that goes? Does that not have a torque?
It doesn't have a torque on. I haven't done it up very tight, that one, from experience. So this is 6 on the side. So on my, got it set to 6.
Okay.
So there you go. That's done up. That was really loose. There we go. So now, in theory, yeah, solid.
Is it?
Solid as a rock now.
Oh.
See the difference?
Yeah. God, you didn't tighten it up by much either.
No.
Was it a bit loose?
Yeah, it was very loose. Very, very loose.
I've had a bit of trouble with my saddle. Can we
Okay.
just torque this one up?
Yeah, certainly.
It's
what's it meant to be at?
What's it say? 10, is it? 8?
8 to 10 max.
The saddle's not been moving, but the torque wrench they send you with Ribble is a bit rubbish. Tight.
I can't even turn that.
What have I done?
There you go.
Given it too much? And
It's fine. I would say that's fine. Is it not moving? It's
it's
fine.
not moving, but I was worried whether I'd torqued it enough.
No, that's fine.
So there you have it. All my little bike niggles have been sorted. My headset's done, the brakes sorted. I'm now set up with tubeless. Yeah, the bike feels dialed in. I've even cleaned my chain and the bike. Well, I hope you found some of that useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.